Hello, my name is Nisha. Welcome to the channel, and I'm so sorry I didn't do it early, but you might already be knowing that the due entrance form for PG admissions is out. And if you do not know it yet, the due entrance form for PG admissions is out. so yeah, but then before you go up and fill it up, or if you have done it already, that's great. But if you are planning to do it, I would suggest you to wait for 2-3 days because normally the due, like, it's the first day, so there would be a lot of traffic. There might be a lot of traffic and the site may get hung up, so I would suggest you to wait for some time, like 2-3 days, or else there are chances of your money getting stuck in the in between, in like during the transaction and everything. So just wait for a couple of days. I have two more points to talk about. One is, many of you have texted me asking what should you do, what should be your qualifying examination status be. Should you say that you have passed it, or should we say you are studying, like you are still there? Because there are many universities whose exams have been conducted and everything is done and dusted, but the results are not yet out. So in that case, I would suggest you to say that you are still, like, you're still studying, and not say that you're passed, because if you say you're passed, then they will ask you for your final sem result, which you don't have yet. So no matter what has happened, till the time you don't have your grades or your passing certificate or whatever, like, let go of passing certificate, but your grades, till the time you don't have your final semester grades, you have to say that you are still a graduate student, like you are not passed out. Fine. And if you're saying that you're still student, then they will ask you for all of the semester marks and not the final sem marks. Yeah, fine. And the other point I want to talk to you about is, don't panic. It's okay. It's fine. Like, it's a different thing to be careful. So you are being careful. You're being cautious before. I'm so sorry. So you're being careful and you're being cautious before filling up or taking anything. It's fine. But don't panic. Go on saying, oh, what should I do now? I did this, I did that. Don't do that. We might think that it will be the end of the universe if you just put down some detail of certain thing wrong, but it's not gonna happen. It doesn't work like that. Okay, the universe has much greater things to worry about than a certain detail of yours. It's fine. Everything can be rectified until and unless it's something that is very basic, like your email ID, because that's what you are using to register, right? So you're gonna get that wrong, or which course you're applying for, or which subject. You cannot get these things wrong, right? Or your reservation, your OBC, or what you are, or whatever. You cannot get these things wrong. Apart from all these things, these very basic things, everything else can be corrected in the document verification process. We have all been through that phase, and I know how much of a panic this can create in the student's mind. I understand what can be your mental state. I have been through that. I've done that too. But trust me, because everything will be over and it will be better. And once you get into the university, and you're like, you'll be thinking, what did I, like, who was I? What was I thinking? Why was I acting like a raccoon? I mean, do raccoons? No, I don't think they function like us. But yes, all I'm saying is, don't panic. It's good to be nervous. It's good to be excited. Like, your nervousness means that you're up for something new and everything like that. But don't panic. Keep your mental state at a better and rational level, and everything will be good. Everything will be fine. And please choose your closest centers, because you do not know what's going to happen in the next month with this COVID third wave thing. So do not go around saying, oh, मेरे दोस्त कॉल करता था तो मैं भी कॉल करता रहूँगी. Don't do that. Be where you can commute, है ना? बिल्कुल perfect distance पे होना चाहिए, closest distance पे, because you do not know what's going to happen, and maybe they will postpone the entrances as well. I'm not trying to. Done. Best of luck. Bye bye. If you do not know it yet, then the DU entrance form is out.